You never quite know what to expect from your day out there on the water. Even if you're a pro mariner out there trying to get a job done, sometimes things will go wrong. Just like we see here, where this oil rig was being towed this past week by a tug vessel, when all of a sudden the line snapped and it wound up beached as we saw. And just like what we're about to witness in this week's episode of Boating News of the Week, our story this week is going to take us over to Mexico, where this was the scene back on New Year's Day, when a bunch of vessels and several tourists were all out witnessing a special dive display at a very popular tourist destination in Acapulco, Mexico. As seen in the images here, you can see multiple yachts in the background, all getting close to the cliffs as they prepare to witness the divers diving off the cliffs into the water, when all of a sudden things go wrong as one of our yachts, the Amore Mio, seen in the images here, winds up getting a little too close to the rocks, and the next thing they know, the wind, waves, and current all continue to push the vessel into the rocks, and they are unable to back out under their own power. In these images here, you can see crew from the vessel trying to toss a line back to the boat behind them in an effort to hopefully be able to get towed out with the assistance of the additional power from another vessel. They tried getting a line off the stern of this yacht immediately as we saw in the beginning of these images. Unfortunately, that line did not wind up holding on to the other vessel. And as we can see here now, the yacht has become pinned in between the rocks and is now in a desperate situation. Here on the rocks, you can see the divers all lining up trying to figure out how they can assist the tourists who are on board this vessel by trying to get them back onto dry land. This really is a crazy situation to see. You've got a multi-million-dollar yacht just pinned against the rocks here in a really bad spot. According to eyewitnesses on the scene, the 15 tourists who were on board the vessel, once they realized the boat was in real peril, began to vacate the vessel. Several wound up jumping overboard into the water, where divers from the cliffs actually dove into the water and assisted in rescuing them and getting them back onto dry land. And some of the tourists were actually able to vacate the vessel off the stern of the boat onto the rocks as it became wedged at a different point in time. Another vessel that was following them winds up sending swimmers into the water here at a certain point and attempting to get a tow line over to the boat. Now, what do you think you would have done in this situation if you would have been one of the people on this yacht? Would you have tried to get off, or would you have stayed on to try and ride it out? Let me know in the comments below. Unfortunately for this crew, this really doesn't have a great ending. Here we're about to see the footage where the crew behind them winds up tossing a line into the water, and they try swimming this line over to the yacht. But as you can see here, the yacht is pinned solidly now, taking a beating against the rocks as the waves come in, knocking the boat around, but also causing damage to the bow and the fiberglass of the vessel. As we mentioned, everybody winds up vacating the boat. At this time, this crew does eventually get this tow line attached to the boat, but at that point, it was already too late. As you'll see in a few moments when they begin to pull it out, the damage has been done. The bow has taken an absolute beating, as you can see as it bounces off the rocks here, and it winds up creating a massive hole in the bow. So once they begin pulling it off the rocks, unfortunately, the vessel is already taking on water and has already begun to sink. Here you can see in the images we're about to show where they finally got the tow line attached and they're trying to pull the vessel back out. But as you can see, right here even, they're going to drag the stern over the rocks as well, as the vessel is battling a heavy current, waves, and wind, and really doesn't have a good control on trying to tow this boat back out, especially when they're pulling from the stern. The stern basically being a big flat area that is catching all the wind and all the waves every time they try and pull it back, causing them not to have as much pull as they really would like from the vessel they're using. But here we can see it gets drug over the rocks, but the key is look at the bow of the yacht. The bow is almost completely gone at this point, and the boat is taking on a tremendous amount of water, and as we mentioned earlier, unfortunately, this yacht winds up sinking right here at this scene. Fortunately, there were no injuries reported during the incident, and shortly after this scene when the vessel sunk, the Navy winds up cordoning off the scene to keep tourists and others away. There is plans being put into place now to try and salvage the vessel and make sure they get the fuel off so there's no damage to the environment. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Boating News of the Week. If you ever see anything crazy happening on your waterways, be sure to hit us up on Facebook or Instagram and let us know when you might see your stories over here, just like Julie Ball and Colin Glover did this week. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.